Today we're diving into a topic that can be quite intriguing for many: how older men can attract younger women. It's all about understanding the dynamics and making genuine connections. These tips will help you present yourself in the best possible way and create meaningful interactions. Stick around until the end, as I will share an exclusive bonus tip that could enhance your approach even further. Before we explore today's topic, if you're open to transforming your dating strategies, click on the link below for a free 60-minute coaching call with one of our experts. Now let's dive in. 1. Be honest about your intentions. One of the most important aspects of attracting younger women is being honest about your intentions. Clear communication is key in any relationship, but it's especially crucial when there's an age difference. Younger women often appreciate honesty and transparency, as it shows maturity and respect. When you express your intentions clearly, it sets the foundation for trust and mutual understanding. Being upfront about what you're looking for, whether it's a serious relationship or a casual connection, can prevent misunderstandings and ensure that both parties are on the same page. This honesty not only builds trust, but also demonstrates your confidence and integrity. Younger women are likely to be drawn to someone who knows what they want and isn't afraid to communicate it. Honesty about your feelings and intentions can create a more relaxed and open environment. It allows for genuine connections to form, as both parties feel more comfortable being themselves. This level of transparency can also help in navigating any potential challenges that may arise due to the age difference. Expressing your intentions sincerely and respectfully can make a significant difference in how you're perceived. It shows that you're serious about building a connection and that you respect her enough to be honest from the start. 2. Exhibit generosity. Exhibiting generosity is another effective way to attract younger women. This doesn't just mean financial generosity, but also being generous with your time, attention, and resources. Younger women often appreciate when an older man shows a willingness to invest in the relationship in various ways. Being generous with your time means making an effort to spend quality moments together. This could involve planning thoughtful dates, being available when she needs support, or simply showing interest in her life and experiences. Your willingness to dedicate time to her shows that you value the relationship and are committed to nurturing it. Attention is another crucial aspect of generosity. Listening to her, engaging in meaningful conversations, and showing genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings can make a significant impact. Younger women often seek partners who are attentive and considerate, valuing emotional connection over material gifts. Generosity with resources can also be attractive, but it's important to approach this thoughtfully. It's not about lavish spending, but rather small gestures that show you care. This could be anything from surprising her with her favorite coffee to offering support in her personal or professional endeavors. By being generous in these ways, you demonstrate that you're a considerate and caring partner. This approach can help you build a strong, genuine connection that goes beyond material aspects. 3. Show genuine confidence. Genuine confidence is highly attractive and can significantly enhance your appeal to younger women. Confidence reflects self-assurance and maturity, qualities that are often appealing in a partner. When you display genuine confidence, it shows that you are comfortable with who you are and what you have to offer. Confidence is not about being arrogant or boastful. It's about having a healthy sense of self-worth and belief in your abilities. Younger women are likely to be drawn to someone who exudes this kind of self-assurance. It signals that you are reliable, secure, and capable of handling challenges, which can be very reassuring in a relationship. One way to show genuine confidence is through your body language. Stand tall, maintain good eye contact, and offer a firm handshake. These nonverbal cues can speak volumes about your self-assurance. Additionally, being decisive and clear in your communication further emphasizes your confidence. Sharing your achievements and experiences in a humble manner also reflects your confidence. Younger women often look up to partners who have life experience and can provide guidance. By sharing your stories and insights, you demonstrate your maturity and the value you bring to the relationship. Ultimately, showing genuine confidence can create a strong attraction, as it highlights your self-assured nature and the stability you offer in a relationship. 4. Dress stylishly. Dressing stylishly is an effective way for older men to attract younger women. Your clothing choices can significantly impact how you are perceived, and dressing well demonstrates that you take care of yourself and pay attention to details. Wearing age-appropriate but fashionable clothing can enhance your appearance and boost your confidence. When selecting your wardrobe, focus on timeless, classic pieces that complement your body type and personal style. Well-fitted clothing is crucial, as it shows that you take pride in your appearance. Invest in quality items such as tailored suits, crisp shirts, and well-made shoes. These staples can be mixed and matched to create a variety of stylish looks. Incorporating current trends in a subtle way can also make you appear more contemporary and aware of modern fashion. This doesn't mean dressing like someone much younger, but rather incorporating trendy elements in a way that suits your age and style. For instance, adding a fashionable jacket or stylish accessories can update your look without compromising your maturity. Maintaining good grooming habits is equally important. Regular haircuts, proper skincare, and a clean shave or well-maintained beard can enhance your overall appearance. These details show that you put effort into looking your best, which can be very attractive to younger women. By dressing stylishly and taking care of your appearance, you project confidence and sophistication, qualities that are often appealing to younger women. Are you finding these tips helpful? Show your support with a like and share your thoughts below. And if you're looking to elevate your dating game, our free 60-minute strategy call could be just what you need. Learn to meet more women and date confidently. Book now using the link in the pinned comment. 5. Being adventurous is a great way to attract younger women, as it showcases your fun side and willingness to try new things. Suggesting fun and exciting activities to do together can create memorable experiences and strengthen your connection. Younger women often appreciate partners who bring a sense of adventure and spontaneity into their lives. Start by exploring activities that align with both of your interests. This could be anything from hiking and outdoor adventures to trying out new restaurants or attending live events. The key is to suggest activities that are enjoyable and offer opportunities for bonding. Sharing these experiences can create a strong emotional connection and leave a lasting impression. Adventure doesn't have to mean extreme sports or expensive outings. It's about the attitude of being open to new experiences and enjoying life to the fullest. Simple activities like exploring a new part of town, taking a spontaneous road trip, or even trying out a new hobby together can be incredibly rewarding. Being adventurous also shows that you're energetic and vibrant, qualities that are often attractive to younger women. It demonstrates that you're not stuck in your ways and are willing to embrace new experiences. This openness can make you more appealing and relatable. By being adventurous and suggesting exciting activities, you show that you're a fun and engaging partner. This approach can help you build a strong connection and attract younger women who are looking for a dynamic and lively relationship. 6. Use humor. Using humor is a powerful tool in attracting younger women. A mature and witty sense of humor can make you more approachable and enjoyable to be around. Laughter creates a positive atmosphere and can significantly enhance the connection between you and a younger woman. Humor reflects intelligence and creativity, which are attractive qualities. When you make her laugh, you're showing that you're confident and can handle social interactions with ease. It also demonstrates that you don't take life too seriously and can find joy in everyday situations. A mature sense of humor involves being witty and insightful, rather than relying on crude or juvenile jokes. It's about finding humor in life's experiences and sharing that perspective in a way that resonates with her. This type of humor can create a bond and make your interactions more enjoyable. It's important to gauge her sense of humor and adapt accordingly. Being observant and responsive to her reactions can help you refine your approach. Remember, humor should always be respectful and considerate, avoiding any topics that might be sensitive or inappropriate. By using humor effectively, you can create a fun and lighthearted connection. Making her laugh can help her feel more comfortable and drawn to you, enhancing your overall appeal and making your time together more enjoyable. 7. Stay updated on trends. Staying updated on trends can make you more relatable and interesting to younger women. Being aware of current trends shows that you're engaged with the world around you and open to new ideas. However, it's important to strike a balance and avoid trying too hard to fit in. Keeping up with trends can involve staying informed about popular culture, technology, fashion, and social media. This doesn't mean you have to adopt every new trend, but having a basic understanding can help you connect on common interests. For example, knowing about popular TV shows, music, or social media platforms can provide conversation starters and show that you're in touch with current culture. Engaging with trends can also involve participating in activities that are popular among younger people. This could be trying out new fitness classes, attending trendy events, or exploring new cuisines. These experiences can make your interactions more dynamic and enjoyable. It's crucial to remain authentic while staying updated on trends. Younger women appreciate genuine interest and can often tell when someone is trying too hard. Instead of mimicking younger behaviors, focus on integrating modern elements into your life in a way that feels natural and comfortable. By staying informed and open to new experiences, you demonstrate that you're adaptable and current. This approach can make you more relatable and appealing to younger women. enhancing your overall attractiveness. Bonus tip, be a good listener. A great way to attract younger women is to be a good listener. Showing genuine interest in what she has to say and valuing her opinions can create a strong emotional connection. So now that you know those easy ways to attract her, what's next for you? Discover the things younger women love that few men do, or learn how to tell if you're a sexually attractive older guy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.